Hello and welcome back to our channel, Eurotrip Hacks, your ultimate guide to exploring the wonders of Europe. Ever dreamt of a European adventure without breaking the bank? Imagine exploring the vibrant streets of London, the romantic corners of Paris, and the artistic vibes of Barcelona, all within a budget of $1,500. In this video, we'll show you how to plan an unforgettable 15-day European trip that covers iconic cities like Amsterdam, Rome, Madrid, and more. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first Eurotrip, these tips will help you optimize your route, save money, and make the most of your journey. And don't forget to check out our travel blog at eurotriphacks.com for more tips and hacks. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Day 1 to 3, London. Our adventure begins in London, a vibrant metropolis with rich history and culture. As a major hub, London is a convenient starting point for international travelers. We'll spend 3 days here, allowing ample time to explore its iconic landmarks and diverse neighborhoods. The first day is perfect for settling in and recovering from your journey. Then, dive into London's treasures over the next 2 days, from the historic Tower of London to the modern art at Tate Modern. London offers a wealth of experiences for every traveler. Wander through Hyde Park's expansive greenery, take a cruise along the River Thames for stunning views of the city skyline, or delve into British history at the British Museum. Don't miss the chance to experience the vibrant markets like Borough Market, where you can sample delicious street food and local produce. For budget-conscious backpackers, London averages a daily cost of $100, totaling $300 for 3 days. This budget includes affordable accommodations in hostels or budget hotels and meals from local markets and cafes. For those opting for hotels, expect to spend around $170 per day, providing a bit more comfort and amenities. Day 4 to 6, Paris. Next, we'll hop over to Paris, the city of love and lights, via the efficient Eurostar train or budget-friendly night bus. Spend 3 days wandering through the romantic streets, visiting world-renowned museums like the Louvre, and savoring French cuisine at local bistros. Parisian charm awaits with each corner turned, offering a perfect blend of history, culture, and elegance. Paris is a city that invites you to slow down and savor its beauty. Stroll along the Seine River at sunset, marvel at the Gothic architecture of Notre Dame Cathedral, or ascend the Eiffel Tower for panoramic views of the city. Art enthusiasts can spend hours exploring the Louvre's vast collection, from the Mona Lisa to ancient Egyptian artifacts. Budget travelers can enjoy Paris on approximately $90 per day, totaling $270 for 3 days. This budget covers accommodations in budget hotels or hostels, meals at local cafes and bakeries, and admission to museums and attractions. For those seeking more comfort, hotel stays average around $150 per day, providing centrally located accommodations with additional amenities. Day 7 to 8, Amsterdam. From Paris, our journey continues to Amsterdam, known for its picturesque canals, vibrant art scene, and laid-back atmosphere. A short train ride brings us to this Dutch gem, where 2 days are dedicated to exploring the Anne Frank House, admiring tulip fields in season, and soaking in the city's unique ambiance. Amsterdam offers a blend of historical charm and modern sophistication. Wander through the cobblestone streets of the Jordaan district, visit the Van Gogh Museum to admire the artist's masterpieces, or take a leisurely cruise along the city's iconic canals. Don't miss the opportunity to sample Dutch delicacies like stroopwafels and bitterballen at local cafes. For backpackers, Amsterdam costs about $90 per day, totaling $180 for 2 days. This budget includes accommodations in hostels or budget hotels, meals from casual eateries and street vendors, and admission to museums and attractions. Hotel accommodations average $155 per day, offering comfortable rooms with convenient access to Amsterdam's main sites. Day 9 to 10, Rome. Our route then leads us to Rome, the Eternal City. where ancient history meets modern charm. A quick flight from Amsterdam lands us in Rome, allowing 2 days to marvel at the Colosseum, wander through the Roman Forum, and toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain for good luck. Rome's timeless allure promises unforgettable experiences at every turn. Rome invites you to step back in time and explore its millennia-old monuments. Visit the Vatican City to admire the Sistine Chapel's ceiling, wander through the ruins of the Palatine Hill, or indulge in authentic Italian gelato at one of the city's charming gelaterias. Evening walks through the bustling piazzas offer a glimpse into Roman life, past and present. Backpackers can explore Rome on approximately $75 per day, totaling $150 for 2 days. This budget includes accommodations in budget-friendly hotels or hostels, meals from local trattorias and pizzerias, and admission to historical sites and museums. Hotel options average $135 per day, providing comfortable rooms with amenities such as breakfast and Wi-Fi. Day 11 to 12, Barcelona. Continuing south, we arrive in Barcelona, a city renowned for its art, architecture, and vibrant street life. Spend 2 days here exploring Antoni Gaudi's masterpieces, strolling along the lively La Rambla, and relaxing on the Mediterranean beaches. Barcelona's blend of culture and relaxation provides a perfect midpoint before our final destination. Barcelona captivates visitors with its unique blend of Catalan identity and cosmopolitan charm. Admire Gaudi's whimsical Sagrada Familia and Park Güell, delve into Picasso's masterpieces at the Picasso Museum, or explore the historic Gothic quarter's labyrinthine streets. Don't forget to savor traditional Catalan cuisine, from tapas to seafood paella, at local taverns and restaurants. Budget travelers can enjoy Barcelona on approximately $80 per day, while hotel stays average $140 per day. This budget covers accommodations in centrally located hostels or budget hotels, meals from local markets and cafes, and admission to attractions and cultural sites. Day 13-15, Madrid. Our final stop brings us to Madrid, Spain's dynamic capital known for its royal palaces, bustling plazas, and world-class museums. Travel from Barcelona via the high-speed AVE train or night bus to maximize time exploring Madrid's treasures. 3 days here allow ample opportunity to visit the Prado Museum, sample tapas in vibrant markets, and soak in the city's energetic vibe. Madrid invites you to dive into Spanish culture and history. Explore the opulent royal palace, stroll through the Retiro Park's tranquil gardens, or immerse yourself in art at the Reina Sofia Museum, home to Picasso's Guernica. Evenings come alive with flamenco performances and lively conversations over sangria and tapas in the city's bustling neighborhoods. For backpackers, Madrid averages $60 per day, totaling $180 for 3 days. This budget includes accommodations in budget-friendly hotels or hostels, meals from local tapas bars and eateries, and admission to museums and cultural sites. Hotel accommodations average around $120 per day, offering comfortable rooms with amenities such as breakfast and Wi-Fi. Extend your journey. If time allows, consider extending your trip to explore more of Italy's wonders like Venice, Florence, and Pisa, or venture deeper into Spain with visits to Seville and Granada. Venice's romantic canals and Florence's Renaissance art offer a captivating extension to your itinerary. Marvel at the architectural splendor of the Leaning Tower of Pisa and indulge in the rich cultural experiences these cities provide. In Spain, Seville's Moorish architecture and vibrant flamenco culture add a unique flavor to your journey. The Alhambra in Granada, with its stunning Islamic art and serene gardens, is a must-see. These additional destinations offer unique insights into regional culture and history, enriching your European adventure. Each city brings its own charm and history, making your trip even more memorable. By extending your journey, you'll have the chance to delve deeper into Europe's diverse heritage and create unforgettable memories. Whether you're embarking on your first European journey or seeking to maximize your travel budget, this itinerary provides a balanced mix of iconic landmarks, cultural experiences and practical tips. From London's historic splendor to Madrid's modern vibrancy, each city offers a unique perspective on Europe's diverse heritage. For more detailed itineraries and personalized tips, visit our website at eurotriphacks.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future travel guides and share your European adventure with us. Bon voyage and happy travels!